The internet is filled with selfies, those one-handed self-portraits aimed at showing the world our best side. But one photographer in Ghana is turning the lens the other way. Ya Benu, a 19-year-old university student, is taking to the streets of Accra to tell the stories of its people one photograph at a time. Afternoon soccer on red sand, he posts, "Everyone playing on this field has a dream to one day play in the biggest soccer league in the world." His Humans of Accra photo blog was inspired by photographer Brandon Stanton's now viral Humans of New York project. That began on Facebook as a photo census of New Yorkers in 2010 and now boasts more than 1 million likes. It's also sparked a wave of copycats, with Facebook pages dedicated to the Humans of Paris, Humans of Doha, and many more. Our next leads out of Egypt, where a new video attempts to shed light on the treatment of Syrian refugees in the country. Have a listen.
أخذوا أبوي راحوا.
تعرف عنه حاجة؟
لا.
تسأل حد طيب هو فين؟
إيه.
بيقول لك إيه؟
ما بقولوا لي شيء.
أنت عارف إن هو هيرجع ولا أنت خايف إن هو ما يرجعش؟
خايف ما برجع.
The video, produced by the Cairo-based ANA New Media Association, shows Syrian boys describing raids they claim to have witnessed by Egyptian security forces. In an interview with The Stream, Rami Jarrah, the co-director of ANA, explained the current situation. Take a look.
I could be stopped at a checkpoint now, and I could be arrested and deported, and this would have nothing to do with my documents being legal or being registered at the UN or not being registered. In fact, a large number of people that were deported were actually legal and did not have anything wrong with their documents.
For more on this story, check out stream.aljazeera.com/stories. Femi?